Cloud is all about taking IT and taking it to market as a commodity product. And in terms of our own IT, of course, we've got the eggs of every other company's IT activity in our basket. So our baskets have to be robust, resilient, and always on. HpStorEserv was a decision we made about a year and a half ago when we were looking at a storage technology that would see us into the future. Now the problem with some of the legacy storage products that we were using was that they didn't have the flexibility and in some cases didn't have the scale out capability that we've afforded with the 3-par.
We're a long-term customer of HP's 3-par product, and we've been using it for several generations. Since moving on to the platform, we've had near-perfect uptime, we've had incredible flexibility, and we've had incredible efficiency in running our data center, both from an administrative perspective and also from getting the best capacity utilization out of the array.
3-par has definitely increased our productivity in our environment. The thin provisioning, thin persistence help allow us to allocate more storage to our users at a fraction of the cost of what it is today. Previously, I would have to buy terabytes and terabytes up front, and with thin provisioning, I can actually buy a fraction of that and then provision and buy more storage afterwards.
The whole business is based on IT. HpStorEserv helps me this way to reduce our manpower for administration for the daily business.
Mid-range storage is important to us because it allows us to purchase the right size array for what we need. At the same time, the HP 3-par 7000 series allows us to have Tier 1 resiliency and Tier 1 features in the mid-range box. So it's really the best of both worlds for us.
We're actually always looking at the new storage offerings coming out from any vendor, because we need to take a look at what's happening in terms of pushing the price point down per gig. So we need something in that mid-tier to enable us to scale out quickly and cost effectively in a fairly granular, financially granular approach.
We actually migrated from EMC to 3-par, and that was a whole weekend full project where it's just 24 hours of just pure migration, and with the EVA to 3-par, it allows us to migrate and be able to sleep.
We have to already migrate from an EVA to a 3-par. Now on the EVA we can use this beautiful tool. It's cool.
The HpStorEserv as a zero downtime, sort of in a way modular, scalable architecture complements what we're doing at a virtual server level, because we need the ability to swap out the technology as it comes end of life and without disrupting customers. We need the ability to augment the capacity without disrupting customers. And the HpStorEserv gives us that ability at a storage level, whilst all of the computing nodes, the HP blades and so forth, give us that ability at a compute level. So they're married together very well. We already have a number of 3-par storage StoreServ environments, and certainly the new StoreServ 7000 will play a role in terms of augmenting that, and as we build out more sites, they will naturally be on 3-par as well.